or attempt to make it deeper. The only thing I don't like about this little quick change tool post is I got to push that piston right back in position. Alright, well, let's see. How was I doing that? I'm going to run this thing backwards. That way I can actually see, I hope, what I'm doing. See if I have enough travel on the I think I'm going to run out of travel. Yep, I run it out of travel. Alright, so once again, this laid plans. Actually, I'm just going to cheat. No. I've got to buy more. Either that or take the tool out every time I want to dial something in. I'm going to clean that off before I put this thing back in there. Oh yeah. That insert's about had it on. Got one more point left after this one. Doesn't feel like it's broken, but I'm sure it's worn quite nicely. And if I remember, I had to raise that up in order to get clearance. Don't think I raised it up that much, so maybe I did. Good angle there. Oops. Once again, make sure I got enough travel. So, there we go. That catches the edge. Good. Alright. Down a little bit more. Alright. This other bit back. So I got to make this depth at least 140, 150, so that I'm actually registering on this face. I took a good look at the spindle, and there were grind marks on the outer face instead of on the registration. So lock you down, run it back so the tool pressure is minimal slop. Oh, let's get these off of here. This is going to take a while, so I think I'm not going to make y'all sit through it. Okay, I've got it down to, I think my last 5/1000ths cut that I'm going to make. Of course, you got to dial in the 5/1000 first. That should put it over 130 deep, which should allow the other face with the bolt holes to register on the face of the spindle adequately. Being that this is stainless steel and I don't have a coolant, you notice I'm doing a hesitate, so I break the chips. Also helps keep down the heat, at least I think it does. And as you can see, this would have taken quite a while at a 5/1000 cut depth. I think I had to make like 12 passes. Whoa, don't want that. Okay, I've probably broken another carbide. May not be broken, but definitely noisy. And I know you're not supposed to grab stainless shavings with your bare hands because you'll take a good chance of slicing your fingers. But they're only 5/1000 chip, which just makes them that much sharper. Yes, I know. Come on. And I'm going to clean up the outer diameter a little bit. I don't want to take too much more off, because I've already got it where it fits the face. I just want to take enough off to get rid of any high spots. I imagine that's bits of broken carbide from the previous brakes. I'm glad I'm not registering on that face, man. I wonder if I can put a gear reduction, move this carriage handle a little further away from the cross slide. Or maybe just make it a smaller handle. Nah. Anyway, let's check the depth. See if I've got enough clearance yet. And we're at 132 there. Let's see. Let me back out a little bit more. Alright, I think that might be enough. Enough that I'm willing to give it a try. Before I do, I'm going to clean that up just a little bit. Alright, now I'm ready to give it another shot. Ooh, that's one. Oh, come on. Oh. Wrong way, Jeff. Come on. Get your act together. Alright, off comes the chuck. Like I said, I saw the ground marks on this while this space only has turn marks. So I decided that this space is the registration. Ooh, warm, warm, warm. So let's see how far down in there it'll go. Not quite as far as I thought it was going to. I've only got an 1/8 inch. It looks like that's going to the full depth. It's still wobbly. Why are you wobbly? Well, let's stick it on there anyway. Oops. There we go. And I've got half a thread. Well, I was going to take a lot more off this face anyway, so I can make that countersink a bit deeper. And just for grins. Wibbly wobbly. Yeah, I don't like that wibbly wobbly. So something on here. Needs a little bit more work. Where does it feel like it's biting at? Okay, so it's somewhere along there. This leads me there. See anything on the opposite side? Maybe I need to open up this face just a little bit more. I just don't know. Well, perhaps eventually I'll get it figured out. Of course, I could always try the old rubber hammer method. No. Oh well. I'll get back to you later.